In business platform, the first element that we want to touch upon is ERP and MES system. And there are multiple trends happening in this domain, which is driven by incoming of new startups as well, which are launching their own software and platforms. So one trend that is highly emerging is the vertical integration. And this relates to the use of MES systems being applied to connect the sensors, actuators, and control system to the ERP. So the MES is playing the intermediate part there. Another trend which is happening is horizontal integration, and that is about integrating manufacturing facility with the supply chain, as well as markets, factories, and warehouses.
Next up is product development and prototyping. And whenever we think about product development and prototyping, 3D printing comes to mind. But current generation technologies are far more capable than that. And of course, 3D printing is still relevant. But the current generation technology can bring many of the tasks from the physical domain back to the digital domain. You don't even have to create prototypes for doing many tests now. So this is enabled by, first of all, massive computing power that is available now through parallel computing, GPUs, cloud computing, and so on. We also have tools available now for high fidelity simulations and modeling. And we also have rendering tools, including things like AR, VR, things like HoloLens or solutions from Oodles that you see on the screen. And this not only can speed up this product development process, but also enhance collaboration, like solutions from NVIDIA, where people come from multiple places and collaborate on design and development, and again speed up this product development and prototyping phase of a product life cycle.